Old Wimbledonians here having a little pre-match huddle. It's a home game, second 11 fixture, Sanderstead 2s, Old Wimbledonian 2s. It's cold, it's windy, but we're going to have some fun. Okay, so Dan Udall opening the batting, facing. He's got a brand new bat there, found the edge of it there straight away. Sandeep at the non-striker's end. And this is the second ball and it's now started to rain. Lovely.
Boom has wintered well.
Lovely full defensive there from Dan. Bit of turn this bowler's getting. Now it's a 40 over a side game today. That looks like first boundary of the match there from Dan Udall. Sandeep.
Shot.
Lovely shot there from Sandeep. Ooh, that's a full toss. And he's gone. He's gone. Dan's new bat didn't help him out there. So Abhishek said in at 3, off the mark straight away. Sanderstead's tech entrepreneur, our answer to Steve Jobs. Lovely chap, good bat. Oh, what bowled. Whoa! So what a nut. Shot.
Shot.
4 runs. Oh, and that's a little snick. And good catch low down. That's now 24 for 2. That's the 11th over. Here's the moment that many of you have been waiting for. Johnny Longcock comes in at 4. Johnny had a splendid winter in Dubai. Many of you may have seen our little series, Johnny in Dubai. Doing various sporting events, golf and tennis, but back where he belongs, playing cricket, and look at that, what a super shot. Poor ball, full toss, but drilled it through the covers for 4. Well done, Johnny. Oh, that's the first 6. Johnny Lock, Black Knight bats. Chief ambassador, finding the edge there with his Black Knight bat and nicely caught it gully. 37 for 3, 13th over. Greg Pettifor strides in, full of purpose. Last season's first 7 captain, now playing in the slightly more relaxed atmosphere of second 11 cricket. Greg, has to be said, absolutely brilliant track record. His first 11 skipper, 4 years as captain, 3 years gaining promotions. Probably the best record of, well, anyone in the history of Surrey Championship. Viewers, do you know different? And there he is, straight behind it. Anyway, well done, Greg. You've earned your season of hopefully a bit more fun and coming in at 4 instead of having to bat at 8, 9, 10 or whatever, bowling. Super stuff. And whilst we're filming this game here at Sanderstead, the corresponding first 11 fixture, it's a nice shot, is being live streamed by Old Wimbledonians. And they're going to be live streaming their cricket for the whole season. It's going to be on their YouTube channel, and there's a link below. It'd be great if, you know, Old Wimbledonians are going to be showing club cricket, so if you fancy a bit of live action on a Saturday afternoon, then I suggest you go there. Link below.
Down the leg side.
Oh, that's through the slips. That's going to run away.
Go, Josh.
And that's
It's
4.
gone.
And he's edged it again. It's another 4. Longcock cleans up. I think both sides will be reasonably happy with this start. Finally played away for 4. And that one does go. Oh, and that's 50 for Sandeep. Well played, 50 out of 79. Super stuff. Nice. Good ball. Nicely drilled, but straight to the man. That's a good catch. Sandeep's innings comes to an end. It's 82 for 4. It's the 23rd over. Shot from Greg. Classic Greg Pettifer shot there. The leg side nurdle. Brings in 4 runs. And it's Christy Sullivan in at 6. So Christy facing, Greg with him, 2 of last season's first 11 players. Christy's away, nice 2. Ooh, Greg, big swing and a miss. Nice bit of agriculture there, shot straight out of Farmers Weekly. Ah, that's a nice shot from Christy. Ah, that's lovely. 1 bounce for 4. Shot, Christy, that looks like a 6. Oh, that could be, and it is. Yeah, didn't get that. Silly shot. Ho hum. Charles Owen going in now. He's off the mark. Oh, sheesh. That was close.
He's looking for it.
Yeah, time. Because you link it. Oh!
Shot, Jarlo!
Beautiful. More Farmers Weekly stuff there.
Did he catch that? No
What
way.
a great catch. What a great catch.
Sliding too. Jeez.
Yeah. Charles goes, that's 118 for 6, 31st over, and the Josh McKinnon in now to join Greg. Beanie Sporting Derek Rushforth has swapped his fielding position from last Sunday's game to be the umpire, and that just sneaks over for 4. Oh, hello. That's well. I don't know what's been signalled there. Extraordinary ball. A couple of lusty blows in that over. One from Greg, one from Josh. Sadly both missed. Bit of a battery change going on here. But there we go. 8 overs left. 6 wickets down. I think Sanderstead should be looking at 180 if they can get it. If they can keep their wickets intact. Got the strikers in. Oh, Greg. Well hit. Oh. A lot of stuff happened there, not much of it was cricket. Well hit. Kicked over the boundary for 4. Alright, 6. So scoreboard rattling along now, and last 6 overs. Sanderstead will be looking at over 200 now. That's a lovely shot. Oh, oh, oh. And a genius one-handed catch from Giles. Giles standing next to me. Having a chat. Super one-handed catch there from that 6 from Josh. Ah, and that's follows it up with a 4 through 3rd slip. Shot. That is a superb shot. Lovely 6.
Shot, Josh.
Nice shot. Proper shot. 4 through the covers. Oh, that's another one. That really is 6, more like a 9.
Great shot, Josh.
Ah, and that's a 50, very quick fire 50 from Josh there. Wow, super stuff. As clean as that. Oh, and that's straight up in the air. And
Well batted, Josh.
he's gone. So that's 7 down now. There's 3 overs left. 191. Well, that single brings Greg McLean on strike, and well, a rather fetching pair of bright blue pads. That's a way to make a statement in your first game for the club. Like it. I like his style. Let's see if he can bat. Yeah, I think so. That's a boundary for second ball. Super shot, Greg. There we go. 196 for 7, 3 overs left. Let's just have another look at these pads. Oh, big smear from Greg there. 1 bounce into the nets. That's the 200 up. Oh, that's got to go. And it does. 6. And that's 50 for Greg. Excellent. Well played, Greg. Super stuff. That's a flat 1 bounce 4. Shot. That is a proper shot. And the nurdle. Very long grass though.
Good running.
Excellent running. So what's Greg got apart from outrageous pads? Ooh, that's launched, put into orbit. Sheer thuggery from Greg. We've missed that in the ones in the last few years, having to bat down the order. And now we can see him in his full glory, batting at 4 or 5 for the 2s. Super stuff. 1 more to go. In off for a 4. That's last couple. Oh, didn't quite get that. Just the 1. So Greg to face the last ball. 238 for 7. Oh, and that's a wide ball, but he's got it away. Come back for 2, possibly 3. Good running. Possibly 4. Possibly 4. And it could be a 5. Could be a 5. Oh dear, what a way to finish. 5 runs there, all run. 243 for 7 off the 40. Well batted, Sanderstead. Brilliantly played by Greg and Josh and Sandeep. Yeah, and Christy. Super stuff. Greg McLean taking his blue pads off and he's opening the bowling. Oh, what a nut. Oh, and that is an absolutely amazing catch. I think it was catch it or wear it, but even so, superbly done. Josh McKinnon there, after a sparkling 50, takes a razzing catch like that. Christy Sullivan, owning. A bit of shape. Four runs, first boundary. Oh. Ooh. Yeah, but it's over. It's gone. Over the top. 4 runs. Johnny Longcock there had a wide first slip, showing us his best angle. .244 to win, the 2's bust on the scoreboard there. 24 for 1, it's the 8th over. A long way to go. Oh! Wow. What a great ball. Giving us 4 byes. And that's it. Good bowling there from Christie. Oh, Keezy put him down. Oh, we're bowled. Four runs. We're bowled. It's an excellent spell here from Greg on his debut. Super stuff. Now he's got those blue pads on. That's over the top. That's going to roll away for 4. Sagar Mehta now onto bowl. Looking good. Oh, well bowled. So Keezy on now. A little bit of wobble there. This wind, it's weather's getting almost biblical here. On for some kind of a downpour. And a good old-fashioned moo through cow corner. 4 runs. Just had another rain break and come back out. Richard Keys is on to bowl. Got a wicket straight away, so 3 down. 28 overs left to get about 190. So it's going to be tough going now for Old Wimbledonians, especially with Richard Keys on. He bats, he bowls, he does the bar, he does everything. Barrel-chested seamer, and he swings it both ways. And the ball. So the rain breaks, the game's now reduced to 30 overs and revised target of, we're not quite sure, we think it's about 200. Whatever it is, they're not going to get it. Shot. Oh, great work there from Giles, superb. Keezy continues. Oh, that's got to be close. No, perhaps did a bit too much. Oh, well bowled. Oh, and that's gone. Big swing and a miss. Clean bowled. So here you go, one for the fans. Johnny Longcock comes on for his first bowl of the season. And it's a good one. Just dropping short there. And Longcock, you feel he's going to get a wicket. You can almost smell it. Tosses it up, just evades Sandeep. After all that, it's 1 run. Lovely one-handed pick up and throw from Greg. Bit of first team class there. Bit of turn there for Johnny. The Longcock continues as the shadows lengthen. Still bloody cold though, and that's a dreadful ball, and it's smoted over the top. Couple of bounces forwards. Good ball from Johnny. Quite a big. Sandeep on now for a bit of right arm dibbly dobbly.
Unless we can, what I'm hoping is.
Why is he limping like a shot gazelle?
So Longcock continues. Nice little spell this, if we could cut those full tosses out.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good bowling. Good quicker ball. Oh, that really is filth. Dropping it short. 4 runs. Oh, that's a super shot. That's a nice 6 there. And oh, too wide. And that's more filth and more 4 runs. So the rain's about to come down again, and this game is going to end pretty soon. There won't be any thrilling conclusion. Storm clouds gathering. It's freezing cold. No one's got any appetite to continue this game. And if there are any viewers left, well done for sticking around. An interesting way to finish a game. Everyone's just having a little chat to say, well, shall we call it a day? Bar's open, let's get in there. Just haven't quite worked out there. 1 more over, I think. Could be 1 more over. Utterly meaningless, but why not? So here we have, final over. That's a lovely shot. Super shot, 4 runs. So Old Wimbledonians need something like 110 to win off this over. The rain's coming down a bit heavier now. It might snow in a minute. Bit of extra pace there from Sandeep. Oh, that bounced nicely. Super delivery. Oh, that's gone. Oh, trying to hit it down the leg and it's gone over 3rd man. Couple of bounces, 4. Look at the rain. And that's it. We're calling it off. It's going to rain. So, as is tradition, we're now going to end the evening in the bar. with our good friends from Pilgrim.